Bam, ba-dum, bam. Shut the front door. Look at this little bad boy, guys. It is a Ducati Hyperstrada 821. And I'm Will. How's it going? Anyway, back to the bike. What an absolute stunner this is. Finished off with the center decal kit on there. White paintwork, mega machines, 2014 on a 14 plate. And it's only done 6958 miles or 6,958 miles. Like I said, center decal kit, GPR exhaust, carbon fender, billet levers. Also, they're not on the bike, but it will be in the description and pictures. It's got panniers and things for this as well. Absolute stunner. Tail tidy, full service history on this as well. It's a magnifica. That's my little Italiano there. It's about as good as my Yorkshire accent. Right, let's get it started up. Come on, cameraman, let's do it. Not too shabby for a Ducati, that. Really nice sounding. They'll definitely come in, and wow, look how it looks. Mega. Anyway, guys, I'll leave you to it. All you need to do to buy this bad boy, pop down to John & Bikes or just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.